Hi my loves. I always start my videos like that. I don't want to start them like that no more, but welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be our monthly Boxycharm unboxing. This is the month of eye candy. It's the month of April. So the first thing I see in the box, oh my god, it's not the first thing, but the first thing that I'm gonna pull out is this Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner pores no more pore purifying mask. This retails for $47. This little thing retails for $47, and it says here that it's an award-winning pore refining mask. It's an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. This sounds like my way to go because, like I always complain, I have oily skin. So this is for oily and combination skin. It says, after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern. Avoid eyes. Leave on for 5 to 10 minutes until dry and cooling cessation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. So I just washed my whole face. So now I'm going to go in with this. So this mask is starting to dry down fast. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just set a timer for 10 minutes and then I'll come back in. So this is what my face looks like. I just cleaned off the mask. My face, oh my god, my skin and my face is really soft. My pores look small and clean. And so if it was for dark hair people like myself, I think I would have liked it, but this is for light hair. I'm not a blonde, I'm not like lighter, like I'm really dark haired. So I don't know, like it just made my brows mad light. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't know guys, like I like how it's making my brows feel and everything, but just the color is like really getting me mad. Oh, I didn't tell you what it retails for. It retails for $22. So the next thing that we got in our Boxycharm is this Element of Surprise palette eyeshadow palette by Boxycharm. Let me open it so you can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. The only thing, like, well, I don't know how it blends out on my eyes, but the only thing that I'm like, ooh, like kind of iffy on is the names on the back. Like, I don't know what happened with ColourPop, but like you can see the shadows like this, but the names are like on the other side. Like, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to like say or whatever, but yeah, like let's say this color right here, this color isn't called rayon, I think it's called feels. So this is rayon and this is feels. So it's weird, don't get confused guys. I'm gonna pull it up on my phone real quick. So I got it on my phone and I don't know if you can see. Okay, so I got it. I don't know if you can see. I'm so sorry guys. So if you can see, the rayon color, you would see like this pink shade would be this pink shade, right? So when you would look at the palette, it would be like, oh, it's rayon. But no, if you see on the ColourPop website, that color is called feels. So that color would be right here. So if you're looking at it like this, like you would have to look at right here, the first one on this side. So it's like kind of confusing. That's the only thing I don't like, but I want to see how this palette is on the eyes. So I'm going to prime my lids and then I'm going to come back and we'll get into the eyeshadow palette. So far I'm liking this palette. Like, I really like the look that I did. I didn't know. The next thing in the box is this Tarte Pro Glow, well, this Tarteist Pro Glow highlighter, which I was super excited to have like Tarte in here again. I think Tarte is like one of my favorite brands. One of my favorite, because I have a lot of. So this is the Tarteist Pro Glow, and I got the shade Stunner. This retails for $29. The eyeshadow palette, I'm so sorry guys, the eyeshadow palette retail for $16. This retails for $29. I'm gonna just dab it on my cheekbones, and wherever I put highlight, I'm gonna do it. So I just said everything, put bronzer. I didn't put blush. Yeah. I'm gonna put some highlight over just to see how the highlight is, because when I put powder on top of that, no, it didn't look good. So I'm gonna just take my highlight and honestly, I don't like it. No, I don't like it. I don't like the highlights, so I think I'm gonna have to pass on that. So the last thing in the box is this, I don't know how to say it, Edisi, I don't know. High definition liquid lipstick. It says a luxurious creamy long wear lipstick. Liquid lipstick provides dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of a wand applicator, made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, EU complaint. This retails for $24. This is a huge liquid lipstick. Like, I think it's gonna kind of match my eyes, but we'll see. So I'm super impressed with this. Oh, sorry. I'm super impressed with this liquid. I don't think it's a liquid lipstick. I don't know. I don't know. It's kind of looking like a little bit glossy, and it's kind of like sticky, but like not too over the top. I really like the color. It doesn't have the color on here. It doesn't have the color on here, but wow, like, I love the color. You know, I always go for like maroon colors and like bright colors, but wow, this is amazing. I think I'm gonna really like this. So that is it, guys. That is the end of the Boxycharm unboxing. I'm gonna go through real quick the products that I didn't like and the products that I did like. So for one, I really loved this ColourPop eyeshadow palette. This is the Element of Surprises palette. I really like this. As you can see in the application of my lips, I really loved this high definition liquid lipstick. It's not, I don't think it's a liquid lipstick, but that's what it says on the packaging. I love the color. I love the finish. I just love it. I love it. The brow gel, I didn't like it because of the color of the gel. It was for light hair, and I'm like super black, dark, like my hair is super black, so I didn't really like this. So I think I'm gonna just pass this along. So yeah, the other product that I really didn't like was the Tarteist Pro Glow like liquid highlighter. I really didn't like it. Was on me, it was patchy and like it dried too fast. I don't know, I really didn't like this. And honestly, I don't know how I would like this pore vacuum cleaner. It really made my face smooth. Like in my last like couple of videos, my face was looking like horrendous. And like this really smoothed it out. And I think it was like my face wash that I used. Like I switched my face wash, so I'm using something else. So I think it was that as well. So I'm gonna keep using this, and I guess I'll keep you guys updated. I really like this month's box. You can get 10% off of Tarte if you use the code AprilBoxy, just so like if anybody wants to, you know, get yourself something from Tarte. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe if you haven't. We're growing slowly but surely. I have faith in you guys that we're gonna get to where we need to be. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you got in this month's box. If you got this palette or another ColourPop palette, because I think it was like 5 palettes. If you got the same color of lipstick I did, if you got the same color Pro Glow that I did, the same color brow gel that I did, or if you got different products, please let me know down below. I have to get going because it's 5:30 and I'm supposed to meet my friend. She said 5-ish. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.